Hi everyone. So I've been getting all these feedback in my DMs asking me questions about the posts that I've been making on Forex market, and you want to know what is it about. So this is going to be a quick video, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes, to give you a brief overview as to what the Forex is, why am I so excited, and why you should definitely be getting involved as well. The Forex market is short for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. What that means is every single country has their own currency. And with them having their own currency, whether it be US dollar, Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, euros, Japanese yen, everybody has their own currency. And the trading off, the buying and selling of each other's currency, that's where people become profitable. So here's the situation. You're probably wondering, how come you're just now hearing about it, right? Here's where I explain all of that to you. Well, up until a few years ago, if you didn't have a $3 million net worth or $100,000 to invest in a platform like this, you would not be having this conversation with me right now. But thanks to retail brokers, what's happened is you are now in a position to get started for as little as $10. The information that I'm providing, and the reason why I'm so excited about it, is this is an industry that works, guys. I'm an accountant. I see this money and I see it moving all the time. I've even worked with a company that trades only Forex, and I've seen the amount of money that people can make in this industry. The thing is, this information was only provided to the wealthy. It wasn't provided to normal, everyday people like you and me. So now when I get to see that a company has leveraged that information and make it so affordable for people like you and me to get involved, of course I have to do what's right and expose that information to you. Now follow me, guys. 95% of the world only owns 5% of the wealth. That's 95% only owns 5% of the wealth. And that 95% is made up of people that works for someone else or people who work for themselves. Either you're self-employed or you work for somebody else. And the other key thing about that is, of that 95%, only about 67% of people have maybe $1,000 in their savings account. Only 67%. And of that 67%, 78% of them only have that money during tax season. Why is that? We're all taught the same thing. Go to school, work hard, get a good job, and get caught up in this system of just working paycheck to paycheck, trying to live paycheck to paycheck. And you never truly set yourself up for retirement. And one of the things that hit me, guys, was that retirement is a dollar amount, not age. A dollar amount, not age. So what if there was a way that you were able to get to that retirement amount, that dollar figure you have in your mind, that amount that you say, you know what, I will be good if I can hit this, I can retire right now. Instead of working all these years of your life, waiting until about 67, 70 years old for you to retire and truly enjoy your best life. And this is exactly what this opportunity provide to people, the everyday average people like you and like me. So if you're asking yourself how do you get started and what do you need to do in order to get on the other side of money? The company that I'm partnered with is called I Am Mastery Academy. What we do is we were just put in place to educate, empower, and equip people like you and me with a skill set that you can now jump on that same platform that the banks are operating on, the same platform that the government is operating on. The Forex market is key, and what we get to do is to educate you as to what you need to do in order to become profitable as well. You get to go live on this platform and learn from 7, 8, 9-figure traders. Do exactly what they've been doing, copy exactly what they're doing. When they say take a trade, you take a trade, and you make money right there on the platform. How amazing is that? Now, in order for you to get involved in this platform, yes, there's going to be an investment, but you have to ask yourself, is that investment worth it for you? Total investment cost is only $225 to get started. $225 to get started. You spend that at a grocery store. You spend that on a pair of shoes. You spend that going out maybe this coming weekend with your friends. It's all about placing value where value needs to be placed, and it's called an investment. Investments, money goes out. You expect that to return something and bring something more profitable to you. And if you find value in this, then it's going to be worth your investment. If you don't see the value, that's okay too. So here's what you need to do. Continue to ask questions, continue to tune into the webinar. Find out what you need to do in order to get started, get plugged in. Whether or not you decide to do this today, guys, Just going to simply inform you it's getting done to you anyway. Your savings account is the bank's trading, it's their investment account. So I'm just simply here to provide information. So instead of it happening to you, it happens for you. Now, I said all I was going to do was take 3 to 5 minutes, and I think my time is pretty much up if I haven't already gone over. And one key thing that I got to walk away and say to you is, when you don't know, I can't expect you to do better. But when you do know, I expect you to do better with the information. You know better, you do better. So here I am as an accountant, finance person, and I'm informing you this market works. Apply yourself. You spend money on so many random things that does not bring a return on that investment. You spend money on education going 4 years that does not return on that investment. You have a limit, you have a cap. Learn to invest in yourself. Learn to invest in your future. And why not use a vehicle? As simple as this. Everything is laid out for you already. But it's up to you. So if you have any more questions, like I said, reach out, DM, ask me anything. I'm here to help.